10 years ago. I haven't been keeping it up real well. I took the generator off of the electricity last year to work on it. I never did mount the pump. There is a air pump here for the brakes. I got it all built, but I never made the mount to mount it yet.
There's barely any water in it.
It's coming up though. We're putting water in right now. You watch it and the water will come up.
Not even 100 pounds in it.
No. I've lessened the valves up a little bit. I'm running a little bit short.
Let me lift this thing onto the car or onto your truck without it sliding around in the truck.
See that end of that track?
Yeah. You lift it up.
Hand pump.
Hand pump, what's that for?
Emergency water supply. If the boiler doesn't get enough water before you let it blow up, you sit here and you pump like crazy. And you pump water into the boiler.
Is that what you're doing right now? Is you pumping water in there or no?
Yep, I'm pumping water in there. Hear the check valve rattle?
Yep. Do you ever need it? Make sure you get this.
Oh, don't use it too often. When you put water in the boiler for the first time, you get it from the tender in here when you don't have any steam, so the injector can't pick it up because it doesn't have any steam to pick it up with. Then you put it in that way. When I run the engine, I can put water in on the go and put coal in. And
What do? Do you pump it while you're moving?
no, I just open the injector and run the injector, yeah. In fact,
When you drive it, do you drive it with all the cars on it or no?
I have had 2,100 pounds behind it.